Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what this looked like out of the box. So this is the diabetes food list and related products. Let me pull it out of the packaging. So these come with the diabetes food list, and then this goes through the glycemic index of all of the common vegetables. We have the fruits, nuts and seeds, spices, seafood, meat, eggs, dairy, grains, legumes, oils, sauces, and beverages as well. So as you can see, you look, it'll tell you the name of the ingredients, so avocado oil, what the typical serving size is, how many calories, and what the glycemic index is for that item. So this will help you in tracking with your diabetes. And then this shows you a meal plan of what foods to eat and what foods to avoid. Gives you some examples of breakfasts, beverages, lunch, and dinner as well. Gives you tons of options with sides. And then it even has this page with a bunch of different snacks.